Have you ever wondered what the difference between good and great and average and awesome and basic and brilliant? You know what it is? It's consistency. I mean, think about it. Roger Federer, he's the greatest tennis player of all time, no question about it. Here's the thing. Any professional tennis player can beat Federer on when they're playing their best tennis. And the same thing in basketball where Michael Jordan is arguably the best player of all time. But here's the thing, any professional basketballer can outshine Jordan on the court when they're playing their best basketball. So what makes Federer and Jordan so different? It's not because they're great once, or not because they're great twice or three times. It's because they're consistently great over a period of time. And what I mean by consistency, I mean this. I mean practice the basics, the fundamentals, the foundation over and over and over and over again, no matter how good you are. In Federer's case, it literally means 1 week after he wins a Grand Slam, he's back on the court practicing the same forehand, the same backhand, the same serve, over and over and over and over again. I know it sounds boring, but repetition is the master of all skill. And that's how you build consistency. You know, I ran this exact same wealth seminar every couple of months, and at the end of my seminar, that was amazing. That was great. When's your next one? Is it going to be the same? And then you know what I say to them? Of course it's going to be the same. But don't get me wrong, I don't confuse that with not being able to tweak things here and there and add current content, use better technology and make it more fun, add more games, or do whatever it takes to make it more engaging for my audience. That part will always get better. However, the basic principle, the basic concepts, the foundation of what I teach and who I am at my core will always be the same. So if you want to be amazing, if you want to be brilliant, so if you want to be great, if you want to be outstanding, I can assure you the more you focus on consistency, the more success you will be.